Today, we're going to make an elegant and graceful frilled lily. Before we start, let me quickly show you the full list of materials you'll need for 1 flower and 1 bud. 34 white pipe cleaners, 10 light army green pipe cleaners, 1 deep magenta pipe cleaner, 2 antique gold pipe cleaners, 2 floral wires, floral tape, and an eyeshadow palette for shading. Let's begin with the petals. Take 4 white pipe cleaners and fold each one in half. Thread 1 through the center of the other 3. Then straighten them out. Twist the top wire tightly to secure. Smooth both sides downward and press the top flat with pliers. Now let's create the frilly edge. Grab the outermost wire and fold it down, then up again to form a small point. Take the wire right beside it and gently bend it along the outside of that little corner. This piece helps fill the gap so there's no empty space. Do the same on the other side, making sure both corners match. Once the edges are done, smooth all the wires again. Measure 12 centimeters for the length of the petal. Use the tail of the center wire to wrap and secure the base. Leave one tail for later and trim off the extra wires. Gently bend the petal to create a natural curve. Now let's shade it with eyeshadow. Remember, a little at a time, in multiple layers. This creates a softer, more realistic color. You can apply a slightly deeper shade toward the middle. And don't forget to color the back as well. 1 petal is done. We'll need 6 petals in total. Now let's make the bud petals. Take 3 pipe cleaners and fold them in half. Thread 1 through the center of the other 2. Twist twice to secure. Smooth the sides downward and press the top flat. Straighten everything and measure 10 centimeters. Leave 1 tail at the bottom and trim off the rest. Curve the petal. Add color using the same method. Soft layers for a natural finish. We'll make 3 petals for the bud and set them aside for now. Next, let's make the flower stamen. We'll be using the antique gold and deep magenta pipe cleaners. First, trim off all the fuzz from the antique gold pieces. Both pipe cleaners completely. Measure 10 centimeter sections and cut them all to size. Now take the magenta pipe cleaner and cut 6 pieces, each 2 centimeters. Fold each one in half. Hold the end with pliers and lightly heat with a lighter. Don't burn them, just melt the fuzz slightly so it tightens up. Once all are ready, set them aside. Now let's move on to the leaves. 4 small leaves, fold 2 green pipe cleaners in half. Thread 1 through the center of the other. Twist twice to secure. Press the top to a point. Straighten all the wires. Measure 10 centimeters and use one tail to wrap the base. Leave one wire tail and trim off the rest. Bend it slightly into shape. We'll need 2 small leaves. For the larger leaves, use 3 green pipe cleaners and repeat the same process. I'll fast forward this part in the video so you can follow along visually. Again, we'll need 2 large leaves. Now that every part is ready, let's assemble. Start with the fuzz-removed gold stamen. Apply hot glue to one end and insert a floral wire. Wrap it with a white pipe cleaner to secure, then trim off the extra. Spread the gold pieces slightly, then trim them to different lengths for a more natural look. Bend each tip to a 90-degree angle. Now attach each magenta tip to the ends. And just like that, the stamen is complete. Take your 6 large petals and glue them one by one. Once they're all in place, add glue to the center and put on the stamen. Close them gently. You can deepen the color inside if needed. And now the flower is complete. Next is the bud. This part is simpler, so just follow along with the video. Apply glue to the sides and attach each petal one by one. Then hold the bottom with one hand and twist the top with the other. This gives it a lovely natural shape. Wrap the floral wire with floral tape. Add the leaves as you go. And adjust the bud, that's done too. Wrap the stem of the main flower with a white pipe cleaner first. Then continue with floral tape. Attach the bud. Add the leaves, wrapping all the way down. Shape everything gently. And that's it, your elegant frilled lily is complete. Thank you for spending time crafting with me today. If there's another flower you'd love to see made with pipe cleaner, I'll do my best to recreate it for you. See you in the next video.